All right, here we are. Let's talk about LinkedIn recommendations. How you doing, ladies and gentlemen? Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell as well so you get notified. All right, so how do you ask for recommendations? Well, we're in LinkedIn. Let's go to the LinkedIn profile. Doing that. We'll scroll down here. Let's scroll down, continue scrolling. This is how to write LinkedIn recommendations, how to ask for LinkedIn recommendations, and this is made in June 2021. So it's an updated version here. You'll notice that I've got 104 received recommendations. So if you're looking for a LinkedIn marketer, read the recommendations, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so here you can see the button, ask for a recommendation. You want to click that button, and then you want to type in the person who you want to ask. So we're going to do a example here. This is a client of mine, Patience. Patience actually asked me if I would make this video, so I thought I'd include her. So Patience was a client of mine, and my position at the time was this one. And so you want to select your position at the time, and then you can see here they've got a template, and as you know, we want to customize this. Hi Patience, I'm just including well, I should say I'm including you in the LinkedIn recommendation tutorial as per your suggestion. While I'm here, this is funny. I always say happy to return the favor. I think that's a nice thing to say. You get a much higher probability that people will do it. And you press submit. So that's how you ask a recommendation. So you go to your own profile, you ask. You can also do it from their profile. So I'll show you how to do that as well. So if we go to Patience, we go to her profile. Hello, Marshall. And I can click on more and request a recommendation. So I can do it here as well. Okay, but then you can also click recommend here. So this is how you submit a recommendation. So if someone's asked you to submit a LinkedIn recommendation, or you want to because they were great at what they do, you do it here, and then you select the relationship, and you go through the same process. And so when you request a recommendation, or somebody sends you a recommendation request, it'll show up in your inbox, so you won't miss it. And then you can literally just reply to the message in the inbox with the recommendation. It's really straightforward. And that's how you write recommendations and request recommendations on LinkedIn. Good luck with it, guys. Social proof is how you build trust on social media. So make sure you take the time to get more recommendations and better quality recommendations than your competitor. And if you got value out of this video, please subscribe to the Nathaniel Bibby YouTube channel for more LinkedIn tips. And if there's a video missing, like this one was for Patience, and you want a video about how to do something on LinkedIn, drop it in the comments, because I'll make the video. I'm here for you guys. All right, we'll see you in the next video.